Imagine yourself in this 2012 Honda Accord SDN LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver vanity mirror, keyless entry, AC, ABS, front head airbag, traction control, power mirror, bucket seats, and power outlet. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.